You don't need everyone to like you. At least, that's what you tell yourself. But think about the last time someone seemed off with you. You replayed the conversation. You checked their tone. You wondered what you did wrong. Or think about the last time you held back what you really thought because you weren't sure how they'd react. Or the last time you agreed with something you didn't believe just to keep the peace. That's not confidence, that's need. And before you judge yourself for that, understand something. This isn't a character flaw, it's not weakness, it's not immaturity, it's wiring. Your brain was literally built to care what other people think. For most of human history, being rejected by your group didn't just hurt, it killed you. But somewhere along the way, it got louder than it needed to be. Maybe it was a parent whose love felt conditional, who praised you when you performed and went quiet when you didn't. Maybe it was a classroom where fitting in felt like the difference between safety and pain. Maybe it was years of learning that the real you got a different reaction than the version you performed. So you learned. You adapted. You got good at reading the room. And it worked. Until it didn't. Here's what needing approval actually costs you. Every time you change yourself to make someone comfortable, you send yourself a message. That message is, the real me is not enough. And you hear that message every single time, even when nobody else does. And over time, that need starts making decisions for you. It decides what you say and what you keep quiet, what you wear, what opinions you share, what dreams you mention and which ones you keep to yourself because you already know how they'll react. You start living inside a version of your life that was designed around other people's comfort, not yours. And you wonder why you're tired, not sleepy tired. The kind of tired that doesn't go away after a full night of sleep. The kind where you spend all day around people you care about and come home feeling completely empty because you were never really there. A version of you was there. The managed version, the acceptable version, the version that never stops performing. And here's the cruelest part. Even when people do like you, I think it doesn't feel like enough because somewhere inside you know they like the performance, not you. So the approval you work so hard for can't actually reach you. It lands on the mask and you're standing behind it, still waiting. So what are you actually afraid of? Not the dislike itself, you're afraid of what it means. If they don't like you, maybe you're not likable. If they reject you, maybe you're rejectable. If they leave, maybe you're the kind of person people leave. Every disapproval becomes evidence in a case you've been building against yourself your whole life. And here's what makes it impossible. You cannot make everyone like you, not because of anything wrong with you, but because people are contradictory. The same trait that makes one person love you will make another person uncomfortable. So the version of you that everyone likes doesn't exist. You've been chasing something that was never there. So, what do you do with a need that deep? You don't kill it. You don't ignore it. You understand it. You look at it and say, I know where you came from. I know what you were trying to do. You were trying to keep me safe. And then you ask, is it working? Or is it just keeping me small? Start noticing when you change what you say before you say it. Not to be brutal, not to shock people, but just to catch yourself in the edit. That moment of editing yourself is the moment you give away a little piece of who you are. And sometimes, the most radical thing you can do is just say the true thing, quietly, without apology. And understand this. Not everyone deserves the real version of you. Some people are safe, some aren't. The goal isn't to be raw with everyone all the time. The goal is to stop pretending that the performance is all you have. There is more. And some people are worth showing it to. When you stop needing everyone to like you and something strange happens, you stop shrinking in conversations, you stop replaying what you said at 3 a.m. You stop measuring your worth by who texted back. And the energy you were spending managing everyone's perception of you comes back. All of it. And you realize how much of yourself you were giving away for free. Some people will not like you, let them. Some people will misunderstand you, let them. Some people will choose someone easier over you, let them. Because the life you build when you stop needing their approval is not a smaller life. It's the first real one you've ever had. You spent years trying to be liked by people who never really knew you. Imagine spending that same energy on the one person who has to live with you every single day.